Hello and welcome back to K-Talk English. Today, we will practice 5 basic English conversations. These conversations are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Let's start.
Hello, do you need a basket?
Yes, please. I want some apples.
The apples are over there. Do you want bananas too?
Yes, I eat bananas every morning.
Great. Do you want something to drink?
Yes, water please.
Hi, where are you going?
I'm going to school. And you?
I'm going to work.
Do you go by bus every day?
Yes, I go by bus. It's easy and fast.
That's good.
Good evening. Do you want a table?
Yes, for 2 people, please.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, orange juice.
And what do you want to eat?
I want chicken with rice.
Perfect.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Nice. Do you listen to music too?
Yes, I listen to music every night.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes. After that, I go to sleep.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is David. And you?
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Practice these conversations every day. Speak them out loud. Use them in your real life. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't forget your English.